Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, as you see, we'll search about the application of Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you find updates here on Telegram as you see. So please don't forget to